Yes, hello students. In the previous section, we had seen the introduction of three-dimensional geometry. So basically what we discussed was the first thing is every three-dimensional space will have two direction cosines. Very important. One will be in the positive direction, L, M, N. The other one will be minus L, minus M, minus N in the opposite direction. Okay. Then using direction ratios, we had found one relation also to find the direction cosines. What was that relation actually? L is equal to plus or minus a divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. This was one. M is equal to plus or minus b divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Then n is equal to plus or minus c divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Very important, these three, if direction cosines are to be found, direction ratios kottidranದ್ರೆ a b c values ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರ l m n ಅಂದ್ರೆ direction cosines. These are what? DCS. DCS means direction cosines. These are what? Direction ratios. What are direction ratios? A, B, C. Okay. What are direction cosines? L, M and N. Okay. So basically this relation we had discussed. So now we are going to see relation between the direction cosine of a line. Okay. So you can see here a relation between direction cosine of a line. What I have done, I have taken three axes here, x, y, z axis. Okay. Along OP. OP is what? It is a position vector where P is the point with the sections x, y and z. So that there are three coordinates x, y and z. So parallel to this OP, I have drawn one line, that is what? RS. This RS, you have to consider this line RS with the direction cosines L, M, N only. Okay. So RS is a line which is having the direction cosines L, M, N and it is parallel to this line. Okay. From this point P, what I am going to do? I am going to draw one perpendicular line PA. To what? To x-axis. To x-axis. This is your x. This is your y and this is your z. So x-axis again ಮಾಡ್ತೆ ನಾನು PA perpendicular ಆಗಿ draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಈ ತರ perpendicular ಆಗಿ draw ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು. So PA is a line drawn to x-axis. So here you can see here if it is x-axis, this will be x and this will be r. Okay. So now what I can write? Now the angle I can write this if I take it as cos alpha is equal to, last class al helidde, alpha is the angle between O with respect to x axis, beta andra with respect to y, gamma andra with respect to z. So cos alpha is equal to what? Adjacent divided by hypotenuse, which is equal to x divided by r. You can see here what is the adjacent side? OA. What is the hypotenuse? OP. E diagram na vertical section il draw madeni. Okay. So OA divided by OP. Okay. This is what? X divided by R. Okay. Then we can write this is equal to what? L. Cos alpha andrana eno? Direction cosine which is equal to L. So x by R is equal to L sigma. X is equal to n baribodu L into R. Similarly, you can write y is equal to m into r and z is equal to n into r. Okay. Similarly, you can write, or otherwise you have to again draw one perpendicular line, again take the ratios. So directly in baribod niva similarly anta bardbiಟ್ಟು y is equal to mr and z is equal to nr you can write. Okay. Now next, you know x square plus y square plus z square is equal to what? R square into bracket L square plus M square plus N square. Okay. So x ಅಂದ್ರನೇ ಏನು? LR whole square plus y ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? MR whole square plus z ಅಂದ್ರೆ NR whole square. Can you see it? Okay. So it is LR, MR and NR. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ R square common ada. R square common ತಗೊಂಡಿನಿ. L square plus M square plus n square I have written. So we know that x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Why? Because you know one identity, L square plus m square plus n square is equal to what? 1. So this value goes out to be 1. So x square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Okay, I'll repeat it. First you have to draw the diagram x, y and z with respect to axis. Draw PA perpendicular to what? X axis. Then draw RS which is parallel to this OP. Okay, next what you have to do, you have to take this angle with respect to alpha. If you are doing OA divided by OP will be equal to what? X divided by R. This you used to take it as X. ಒಂದು 3-dimensional space consider ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು previous class ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ. This will be alpha. With respect to y if you take, this will be beta, and with respect to z if you take, it will be gamma. Okay, so cos alpha means L, that direction cosine, x by r ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Similarly y andra cos beta, it will be equal to y by r, which is, you can write it directly, mr. Z is equal to nr. X square plus y square plus z square andra lr square plus mr square plus nr square. So r square common ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ l square plus y m square plus n square ಆಯ್ತು. So ಈ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ನ ಕಲ್ತೀರಿ. l square plus m square plus n square is equal to 1. So you can find the main relation what you wanted. The relation between direction cosine with respect to a line is equal to what? X square plus y square plus z square is equal to r square. Okay, this is the most important derivation. Of course, it is a very small one. They may be asked for 2 marks. Okay, next, or based on this relation only examples may be asked. Next, I am going to tell you direction cosine of a line passing through 2 points. Okay, so here comes direction cosine of a line passing through 2 points. So this is x-axis, y and z. So what I have done, P is 1 point and Q is 1 point. So from PQ you can pass only how many points? 1 point. So this is what parallel lines I have drawn and have joined them. Okay, E portion PQN triangle portion il tagondeni. So this angle what I have named it, this angle is gamma. If this is gamma, then this will be also gamma. Okay, same thing. This portion of this triangle has been derived here. Okay, so you know that only one line can be passed through 2 given points. Correct? If there are 2 points, you can pass only one line through this point. Okay, so illi P point, I take it as x1, y1, z1. Okay, and Q coordinates I take it as x2, y2 and z2. Okay, consider there are 2 points here passing through the given points I have to take. Direction cosines I have to take. So direction cosines of a line passing through 2 points. So our 2 points ಏನಂತ ತಗೊಂಡೆ ನಾನು? P is what? x1, y1, z1 and Q is what? x2, y2, z2. Okay, now I have to take what? Direction cosines. So now let me take, let L, M, N be what? Direction cosines to the line PQ. Of line what? PQ. Okay. Alpha, beta, gamma be the respective angles. With respect to what? X-axis it is alpha. With respect to y-axis it is beta. And with respect to z-axis it is gamma. Okay. You have to write that. Alpha, beta, gamma be the angles with respect to x, y and z axis. Next what you have to do, I have to draw the perpendiculars from PQ to the xy plane. Okay, here is what, this is what xy plane. ನೀವು plane ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3-dimensional ಅಂದ್ರೆ 3 axis ತಗೋತೀರಿ. plane ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು x axis, y axis ಎರಡೇ ಇರ್ತದೆ. Correct? So this is x and this is y. For this x and y, what I am drawing perpendiculars. From what point? From P point and from Q point. Okay, they both will meet at what? R and S. Then I have to draw P from Q to S to meet at N. Okay, from P I have drawn one line. This will meet at n. Okay, so P R ಈಗ one line draw madin. This is n, and from here I have drawn two perpendiculars which is meeting at RS. So now there will be a right angled triangle. What is that right angled triangle? PNQ. This right angled triangle. This is what I have taken here. PNQ. Okay. So angle PQN, what I have taken? I have taken it as what? Gamma. So here PNQ forms a right angled triangle. Okay. And I have taken angle PQN is equal to what? Gamma. Okay. So now I can write cos gamma from this diagram. If I want to write cos gamma, it will be equal to NQ divided by, that is adjacent divided by PQ. Adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side to this gamma is NQ divided by PQ. So N and Q, if this is Z axis, you can take that gamma is what? It is an angle with respect to Z axis. So you have to take NQ as Z2 minus Z1 divided by PQ. Okay, if it is with respect to alpha, alpha is an angle with respect to x axis. X axis itandre x2 minus x1 divided by PQ. Then if you want beta, it is with respect to y axis. It will be equal to y2 minus y1 divided by PQ. So now you got what is the direction cosines of a line passing through two given points. So the values will be x2 minus x1 divided by PQ. Okay, then y2 minus y1 divided by PQ, and z2 minus z1 divided by PQ. Okay, what is PQ? Distance formula you have to use. PQ is equal to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Okay, so I'll explain it once again. So here you have to take x, y and z axis. Okay, so two given points, P is 1 point, Q is 1 point. P point I have taken x1, y1, z1. Q point I have taken it as x2, y2 and z2. Okay, L, M and are what? They are the direction cosines of the line PQ, and alpha, beta, gamma are respective angles. With respect to x it is alpha, with respect to y it is beta, and with respect to z it is gamma. Okay, next what I have done, I have drawn perpendiculars from these to meet at RS, and PN is drawn perpendicular to this. Now PQN, this will form what? Right angle triangle at the angle right angled at N, and gamma I have taken it as angle. Okay, so now if I want cos gamma, it will be equal to adjacent side divided by, this is what? Hypotenuse. So I get it as Z2 minus Z1 divided by PQ. Okay, if I want cos alpha, alpha andra with respect to x axis, so x coordinates very big, x2 minus x1 divided by PQ. If I want beta, y2 minus y1 divided by PQ. So these are the three things. Now if I want the length PQ, that is what? Distance between PQ, then I have to take x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. So these two are very important derivations. So now in today's class, I have explained you direction cosine of a line. Okay, that is relation between direction cosine of a line. Then I have also explained you direction cosines of a line passing through 2 points. Using all these concepts, we have to solve the examples. So first, one simple example I have taken. Okay, this may be asked either for 1 mark. Okay, if a line makes 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree with the positive direction of x, y and z axis respectively, find its direction cosines. Very simple. So this is alpha, beta, gamma and tagondre nava. We have to find L, M, N. Direction cosines means what? We have to find L, M and N. Okay. To find this, L is equal to what? Cos alpha. Cos of 90, which is equal to 0. Then M is equal to cos of beta I take. Cos 60. Cos 60 degrees is equal to how much? 1 by 2. Then if I want n is equal to cos gamma with respect to z axis, how much it is? Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is root 3 by 2. Okay. So L, M when values are 0, 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. Simple example. Okay. So if it is making angles, you have to take cosine of that angle. Direction cosine bekandra cosine of that angle tagobek. Okay. So next, second example. One more example we shall see today. If a line has direction ratio 2, -1, -2. So what are the direction ratios? A value is 2, B value is -1 and C value is -2. So A, B, C direction ratios under A, B, C values kottara 2, -1, -2. You have to find direction cosines under L, M, N find madbek ನೀವು. Okay, you know the relation L is equal to plus or minus A divided by root of A square plus B square plus C square. So this is equal to 2 divided by root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 2 square. This is equal to 2 divided by root of 2 square is 4 plus minus 1 square is 1 plus 2 square is 4. So this is equal to 2 divided by root 9, 2 by 3. Root 9 value is 3. Okay, if I want m value, b divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. So b value is -1 divided by 3. Then if I want n value, -2 divided by 3. Because a square plus b square plus c square value remains same only, that is 3. So now the direction cosines they have asked L, M and N value. So this will be equal to 2 by 3, -1 by 3 and -2 by 3. Okay, this is how you have to find the values of L, M and N. So with the relation between direction cosine of a line, then direction cosine of a line passing through 2 points, we have seen 2 examples. Okay. Next class we shall see more examples and I'll solve exercise number 11.1. Thank you.